Welcome back to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple Canva tricks to create pro-level designs. Want to remove backgrounds and export clean, transparent images in Canva? Stay with me because I'll show you the exact steps to do it perfectly every time. Step 1. Open Canva and navigate to the design you want to export. Make sure your layout is complete before adjusting the background. Step 2. Click on the background area of your design to access color settings. You can temporarily apply any color to clearly see your design elements. Step 3. Now set your background to pure white for best results before exporting. Use the hex code FFFFFF to ensure it's completely clean and neutral. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button so you never miss powerful Canva tips and tricks. Step 5. Go to the Share option in the top right corner of the Canva editor. This is where you'll find all export and download settings. Step 6. Click on Download and choose PNG as your file type. PNG format supports transparency and gives you high-quality output. Step 7. Enable the transparent background option before downloading your file. Keep in mind, this feature is available only for Canva Pro users. Step 8. Click Download, and your design will be saved with a transparent background. Now you can use it on any background without unwanted white areas. Subscribe to Preyo Promo for more pro-level Canva tricks that make your designs cleaner and more powerful.